Based on the feedback that I received in a recent video, many of you are interested in improving your balance. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you 3 simple exercises to help you improve your balance. Up first are calf raises. This exercise will help improve your lower leg strength and ankle stability. I like to do this before I go on a walk or run. Stand tall with your feet touching. Transfer your weight onto your toes, then slowly back down onto your heels. Do 10 reps. To make this more challenging, you can hold dumbbells or bags filled to your desired weight. Adding weights tests your center of gravity and helps you target your calves more specifically. Up next is Staggered Stance Twist. Staggered Stance Twist helps you improve your balance through rotation. This move trains hip stability as you strengthen your obliques. I like to include this exercise in my full body warm-ups. Get into a staggered stance position with your back heel off the ground. Bring both hands together and lean slightly forward. You're going to rotate toward the front leg. Exhale as you twist. Inhale as you come back to center. Repeat 10 times each side. You can take this to the next level by introducing a medicine ball. Holding weight as you twist requires additional arm strength, ankle stability, and core support. The last exercise I'm going to show you is reverse lunge. This exercise helps you learn how to step backward and forward in a controlled manner while using your glutes. Begin with your feet hip distance apart. With one foot, take a step back, bend both knees, then take a step with your back leg to start position. Repeat this 10 times. You can make this move more advanced by going onto one leg and holding it for a moment. Thank you for watching this video. Exercise boosts my mood and helps me get through my everyday activities with more ease. That's why I created an exercise library and custom tool to help you learn one exercise at a time based on your needs. Join my exercise membership at KaiSimonFitness.com. If you're interested in learning more balance exercises and technique, see my balance playlist on my Kai Simon Fitness YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. Take care.